What if I told you that an entire hidden universe exists inside your body? In part 1, we enter the world of cells and DNA. In part 2, we explore bones, the skull, and the spine. In part 3, we follow blood, the heart, and the rivers of life. In part 4, we uncover muscles and the power of movement. And in the final part, we reveal the brain, nerves, and the greatest secrets of the human body. Welcome to the hidden universe inside you. Part 1. The human body, the hidden world inside you. Imagine entering the human body as if it were an unknown universe. What would you discover? A forest of nerves, rivers of blood, a framework of bones, and trillions of cells working every second. The human body is not simply flesh and bone. It is one of the most advanced living systems ever created. Even while you sleep, your body never stops working. Your heart keeps beating. Your lungs continue breathing, your brain processes information, and millions of cells continue their tasks without rest. Today, we begin our journey into the hidden world inside every human being. Chapter 1. The structure of life. The human body is built from many systems working together. Each system has a different purpose. Some provide support, some create movement, some carry oxygen, others send information. Together, they create life. An average adult body contains about 206 bones and more than 600 muscles. But bones and muscles are only the outer structure. Deep inside, another world exists. A microscopic world invisible to the human eye. This is the world of cells. Chapter 2. Cells, the builders of the human body. Cells are the smallest living units of the body. Everything begins with them. Your skin is made of cells. Your blood contains cells. Your muscles, organs, and even your brain depend on cells. Trillions of them exist inside the body. Every second, many cells die. At the same time, new ones are created. This means the body is always changing. Cells act like tiny factories. They produce energy. They repair damage. They transport materials. And they help the body survive. Without cells, life would not exist. Chapter 3. DNA, the hidden code. Inside most cells is a biological instruction system called DNA. DNA carries information about growth and development. It helps determine physical characteristics. It guides the body during its formation. Think of DNA as a blueprint, a hidden design stored inside the body. Every cell follows these instructions. Some become muscles, some become blood, others become nerve cells. This silent code helps build the human body from the beginning of life. Chapter 4. Growth and change. Humans are not born fully developed. Growth happens step by step. Bones become stronger. Muscles increase in size. The brain develops new connections. Children learn movement. They learn balance. They learn language. As the body grows, it changes continuously. Growth is not only about height. It is about development. Every stage of life creates a new version of the human body. Ending. This was only the beginning. We have entered the first layer of the human body, but many secrets still remain hidden. In the next part, we will explore the world of bones, the skull, the spine, ribs, hands, and the structure that keeps the body standing, to be continued. Part 2. The skeleton, the framework of the human body. Beneath the skin, under the muscles, and hidden inside the body lies a powerful structure. It cannot think. It cannot speak. Yet it supports every movement you make. This hidden structure is the skeleton. Without it, the human body would lose its shape. We would not stand, walk, run, or even sit properly. The skeleton is the silent framework that holds life together. Chapter 1. The human skeleton. An adult human body contains about 206 bones. These bones are connected in different ways to create support and movement. The skeleton has several major sections. These include the skull, the spine, the rib cage, the arms, the hands, the legs, and the feet. Each part has a specific role. Some bones protect organs, some help movement, others provide balance and stability. Together they create the body's structure. Chapter 2. The skull, protection for the brain. The skull is one of the most important parts of the skeleton. Its main job is protection. Inside the skull is the brain, one of the most complex organs in the human body. The skull acts like a protective shell. It reduces damage from external force and keeps delicate tissues safe. The face is also supported by bones. The jaw allows speaking and eating. Eye sockets protect the eyes. Nasal bones help form the structure of the nose. Every part works together to create both protection and shape. Chapter 3. The spine, the central support column. Running from the neck to the lower back is the spine. It is often called the backbone. The spine is made of small bones known as vertebrae. Together they create a flexible column. The spine supports body weight. It helps maintain posture. It allows bending and movement. It also protects the spinal cord. Without the spine, balance and movement would become extremely difficult. This structure carries the body through every step in motion. Chapter 4. The rib cage and protection. Around the chest is another important structure, the rib cage. Ribs surround vital organs. They help protect the heart and lungs. The rib cage also expands during breathing. When air enters the lungs, the chest moves. This movement helps support respiration. Protection and movement happen at the same time. The body is designed for both strength and flexibility. Chapter 5. Hands, fingers, and movement. Human hands are remarkable. They allow precision, control, and complex actions. Each hand contains many small bones connected carefully. Fingers help with writing, holding, lifting, and creating. Even simple actions require coordination. Bones provide support. Muscles create force. Nerves send signals. Together they produce movement. The hand is one of the most detailed structures in the body. Ending. Bones may appear silent and lifeless, but they form the architecture of the human body. They support movement, protect organs, and hold everything together. In the next part, we will enter the world of muscles, blood, and circulation. The journey inside the body has only just begun, to be continued. Part 3. Blood, Heart, and the Rivers of Life. Opening. Deep inside the human body, a silent movement never stops. Day and night, during sleep, during work, even in complete silence, something continues its journey. Blood flows through hidden pathways. The heart keeps pushing it forward. Oxygen travels. Nutrients move. Cells receive energy. Life continues. This invisible movement is one of the greatest systems inside the human body. Without it, no organ could survive. No muscle could move. No cell could remain alive. Today, we enter the world of blood circulation and the beating engine of life. Chapter 1. The human heart. At the center of the circulatory system is the heart. The heart is a muscular organ. Its job is simple but extremely important. It pumps blood. Every beat pushes blood through the body. This movement never completely stops. The heart works continuously from the beginning of life. It sends oxygen and nutrients to different tissues. It also helps remove waste materials. Although it is not very large, its role is enormous. The entire body depends on its rhythm. Every heartbeat becomes part of a larger system, a system built for survival. Chapter 2. Blood, the traveling life system. Blood is more than a red liquid. It is a transportation network. It carries oxygen. It moves nutrients. It supports communication inside the body. Blood travels through countless pathways. Wherever cells exist, blood tries to reach them. This movement keeps tissues active. Without blood flow, cells lose support. Energy production slows. Body functions become affected. Blood connects distant parts of the body. It creates a link between organs and systems. Everything becomes part of one living network. Chapter 3. Arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood does not move randomly. It follows special pathways. These pathways include arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Veins help return blood. Capillaries are extremely small pathways where exchange happens. Together, they create an enormous transport system. The body contains thousands of roots. Large pathways divide into smaller ones. Smaller ones reach tissues. This design allows blood to travel almost everywhere. It is like a giant map hidden under the skin, a map built for life. Chapter 4. Oxygen and energy. Every cell needs energy, but energy production depends on oxygen. Breathing brings oxygen into the body. Blood then carries it forward. Cells use this oxygen during important processes. As oxygen moves, energy becomes available. Muscles work. The brain stays active. Organs continue their tasks. Without oxygen, normal function becomes difficult. That is why circulation and breathing work together. One system brings air, the other delivers it. Life depends on cooperation. Chapter 5. The Endless Journey. Imagine the body as a giant city. Organs are buildings, cells are citizens. Blood becomes the roads connecting everything. The heart acts like a central station. Movement never stops. Delivery never ends. Every second brings activity. Even now, as you hear these words, your heart continues beating. Blood continues flowing. Life continues moving. Silently, constantly, without asking for attention. Ending. Inside the body flows a hidden river. A river carrying energy, oxygen, and survival itself. The heart drives this journey. Blood carries its mission. Together they keep life in motion. In the next chapter, we will enter another hidden world. The world of muscles, movement, and strength. The human body still holds many secrets. To be continued. Part 4. Muscles, movement, and the power of the human body. Opening. The human body can walk. It can run, it can lift, it can jump, it can write, it can smile, but none of these actions happen on their own. Behind every movement is a hidden force, a system working quietly under the skin. This system is made of muscles. Without muscles, bones could not move. The body would have shape but no motion. Today, we enter the world of strength, movement, and the engines that power the human body. Chapter 1. The Muscular System. The human body contains more than 600 muscles. These muscles work together every moment. Some are large and powerful. Others are small and precise. Every movement depends on them. Walking uses muscles. Speaking uses muscles. Breathing uses muscles. Even blinking your eyes requires muscular action. Muscles are active almost all the time. Some work when you move. Others continue working even while you rest. The body never completely becomes still. Hidden activity always remains. Chapter 2. Muscles and bones working together. Muscles do not work alone. They depend on bones. Bones provide support. Muscles create force. When a muscle contracts, it pulls on connected structures. Movement begins. The arm rises. The hand closes. The leg steps forward. This partnership creates motion. Without bones, muscles would lose structure. Without muscles, bones would lose movement. Together, they form a system of balance and action. Every step you take is the result of cooperation. Chapter 3. Types of muscles. Not all muscles are the same. Some help control movement. Some work inside organs. Some continue working automatically. Different muscles have different tasks. Certain muscles create power for movement. Others support posture. Some help maintain stability. The body uses each type where needed. This organization creates efficiency. Every part receives the support required for its job. The result is smooth and controlled motion. Chapter 4. Strength and coordination. Strength alone is not enough. The body also needs control. Movement requires timing. Muscles receive signals. Actions become organized. The body learns coordination. Children slowly develop these skills. They learn balance. They learn walking. They improve control. With time, movement becomes more precise. Complex actions become possible. Writing, drawing, building, creating. All depend on coordination between muscles and the nervous system. Chapter 5. The silent work of muscles. Many people think muscles only work during exercise, but that is not true. Muscles help maintain posture. They support breathing. They assist movement inside the body. Even standing still requires muscular effort. Right now, as you read or listen, muscles are active. Some hold your head upright. Some support your back. Some help your chest move during breathing. The body is always working, even in silence. Ending. Muscles are the hidden engines of the human body. They transform energy into movement. They work with bones. They respond to signals. They make action possible. Without them, motion would disappear. In the next chapter, we will enter the world of the brain, nerves, eyes, and senses. The journey inside the human body is moving deeper, to be continued. Part 5. The brain, senses, and the final secrets of the human body. Opening. Inside the human body exists a control center. It cannot be seen from the outside, yet it influences almost everything. Thoughts, memory, movement, decisions, vision, sound, balance, emotion. This hidden command system is the brain. Together with the senses and the nervous network, it helps humans understand the world. Today, we enter the final chapter of our journey. The world of the brain, senses, and the hidden systems that connect the human body to reality. Chapter 1. the human brain. The brain is one of the most complex structures in the human body. It receives information. It processes signals. It helps control actions. Every movement begins with communication. Signals travel. Instructions are created. The body reacts. The brain works continuously. Even during sleep, activity continues. Dreams appear. Memories are organized. Information is processed. The human brain is not only a control center, it is also a system of learning and adaptation. It changes with experience. It stores knowledge, and it helps shape human behavior. Chapter 2. The nervous system. The brain does not work alone. It depends on a network. This network is called the nervous system. Nerves carry messages through the body. Signals move between different areas. The body receives information. Responses are created. Touch, temperature, movement, pressure. All of these depend on communication. Without nerves, information could not travel. The body would lose coordination. The nervous system creates connection. It links the brain with the rest of the body. Chapter 3. Eyes and vision. Human eyes collect light from the world. They help create visual information. Shapes become visible. Movement becomes clear. Distance can be estimated. The eyes work continuously. Light enters. Information forms. Signals move toward the brain. Then images are understood. Vision is not only about seeing. It is also about interpretation. The brain and eyes work together. One collects information. The other gives meaning. This partnership allows humans to observe the world around them. Chapter 4. Hearing, balance, and the senses. The ears help detect sound. Waves travel. Information moves inward. The brain identifies patterns. Voices become understandable. Music becomes meaningful. But hearing is not the only task. The body also depends on balance. Movement requires stability. Position must be recognized. The senses provide information. Touch helps detect surfaces. Smell recognizes particles. Taste identifies differences. Together they build human experience. The outside world enters through the senses. The brain gives it meaning. Chapter 5. The final mystery. The human body is more than organs, more than bones, more than muscles. It is a connected system. Everything depends on cooperation. Cells, blood, bones, muscles, nerves, organs. Each part has a role. Each system supports another. Life continues because everything works together. Inside every person exists a hidden universe, a world of movement, signals, energy, growth, and survival. Most people never see it, yet it exists every second, silently, powerfully, continuously. Final ending. Our journey inside the human body is complete. From cells to bones, from blood to muscles, from the heart to the brain. We explored the hidden universe living inside every human being. But one truth remains. The greatest machine ever discovered was never built in a laboratory. It was already inside us. The human body. End of documentary.